Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about flat back and your short box series that you do here on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So it's the second part of your short box series, and it is a really, really good one. It can be a little scary on the ladder barrel. It's also super effective in teaching you how to reach your legs, which will make it easier for you to do your short box on the reformer. So too often I see people doing their short box series on the reformer and they're hanging off their hip flexors. And when you use your ladder barrel and you teach your legs how to reach, I really find it to be really, really effective. So you're going to have your arches of your feet on the second rung from the top, and then from the round back, you'll just come onto the top of the barrel and you'll grab your pole and you'll take your arms up overhead. You'll pull this pole nice and wide. Now make sure your arms are in front of your eyes. So if you came to this because of the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcard deck for the barrels, thank you so much. You'll see we have the whole series for the short box here. And I broke them out into individual cards because I really want you to nerd out about each one. Sometimes we just like blend them all together, and they each teaches a spine shape that we need when it comes to our practice, because there's actually 5 spine shapes, and on the short box series on the ladder barrel we get all 5. So we did the round, which did round into extension and round again. Now we're gonna do tall. So arms in front of the eyes here so I can see them. I'm gonna look at the tip of my nose and I push into my legs and lean back as far as I can go without back bending. So my legs stay kind of where they are. I'm feeling my glutes turn on. I'm sitting on them as I go back and forth, and I'm getting nice and tall. And you can go as far back as you can reach into those legs. The moment you feel like you need to hook your feet, you've gone past your strength. All right, that's really important to know. So if you have a reformer practice, doing your short box on the ladder barrel is a great place to find and explore all the shapes so that you can make them on that short box where things don't exist, because it's so easy to hang off the strap on the reformer and really you should be reaching. So doing your short box series on your ladder barrel really helps you explore that and teach that reach. If you have questions about this exercise, feel free to put in the comments below. If you want to do a full ladder barrel workout, you can find one over at OnlinePilatesClasses.com, where we do life better.